Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be making Nigerian puff puff, our favorite snack, but we are going to do a different method. We are using our freezer bag to achieve the results. It's hands free. You're not going to touch your hand with any banter, so come along with me. I have 2.5 cups of multi-purpose flour. I have a glass of warm water. I have 4 tablespoons of sugar. I have a teaspoon and a half of active yeast and a pinch of salt. So let's get right into it. Open your freezer bag. Pour in your glass of warm water. Pour in your yeast. And turn. Mix properly. You pour in your salt, the sugar, you mix again. Now you pour in the multi-purpose flour. Then you continue mixing further. So having mixed properly, we are going to cover this batter with a kitchen cloth for 45 minutes so that the yeast can do its work. So we've mixed properly now. See, I haven't touched the batter in any way. My hand is not sticky. So you lock the bag. Make sure it's well locked. And you place it on your table. Then you cover with your tablecloth and allow the yeast to do its work. We'll come back to it in 45 minutes, so we'll see what has happened with it. Okay, this is 45 minutes later, so we'll have to check to know what has happened to our batter. Wow, that's doubled in size, as you can see. Please be careful not to burn yourself. See how it's forming that puff puff shape by itself because of the size of the hole we made. Once you get the hole, you're good to go. You keep turning it so that one side is not frying well and the other side is uncooked. About taking this one out, you can see, very beautiful to behold. Making puff puff in your house, at home, the easy way, with ease, without having to touch any sticky batter. So this is the quantity of puff puff we're able to get with the ingredients shown earlier. Thank you for watching. Please, if this video has been of any help to you, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in my next video.